ano.
Okay,
Yung ano,
still working, you see. Very sweet. Hello, Mr. Gerald. How are you?
How are you?
Fine.
I'm here in the Philippines. I want to say you that also in the Philippines we
Yeah.
have Hollandisch beer.
Yeah, and me also.
Yeah.
Give my what is this? Our local drinks. Mr. Glenn, you please hold. I will see the Pundador in your hand. Emperador in your hand. Kunyari lang yun. Di ba? Para hindi halata, no? Kasi imported yung kaharap natin eh.
Black Label, Chivas, Regal,
Ay, di, kunyari na nga lang yun kasi may kaharap tayo eh, may kalaban tayo eh. Kasi, Emperador. Okay.
And we have
Yeah.
two people
Yeah.
who want to get
Ay, hindi,
married.
ayaw mo na ba?
Oh, yeah. I'll
Ano?
take souvenir for us.
Okay. Hi. Oh, God.
Who are you?
Oh.
Secret. I don't have name.
Kuha naman ang video sa
Of course, it's Ivy here. Of course, it's It's Ivy here, Mr. Flores.
Yeah.
Don't forget my name when you come back to Holland and Netherlands.